I have a video showing about the installation of the drinking. The drinking we don't need, drinking we need the cover to protect the power cable. And this is this connection, earthing connection from one trunking to the other one trunking. We must connect the earthing cable all the connections point of the trunking. This is one they forget. And this is the sample of the support of the trunking. We connect all the connections, and the bending we need the fitting, the correct fitting, all the trunking with the standard fitting. We don't try to cut it and bend it for any bending point. It estimates your house cable, so use the fittings properly. If you are looking for this installation, you can check it for the reference of your installation.
Trunking are required to use for the power cable which we install it outside of the building. It can protect and cover properly with the rainwaters.